Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove ringtone on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Then from here you can click on sound and vibration. So here is the sound and vibration. After you have been moved on sound and vibration, you are going to find this feature. So from here again you have to move on to ringtone. Then just scroll like this. So here the first option is the silent option. So if you want to remove ringtone from your device, what you need to do is that just click here on silent option. Don't click single, you have to click twice. Okay, it means double. Okay, 1 2, then this ringtone will be removed from your mobile phone. Okay, the ringtone will be silent. Okay, just click on the silent option double. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.